Today I am going to show you everything you need to know about Windows 10 Extended Security Update or ESU. This is really important because Microsoft will stop regular Windows 10 updates on 25 October 14. After that, your PC could be at risk if you don't do anything. But don't worry, I will show you how to keep your PC safe for one more year. Every Windows version has a support life cycle. Microsoft gives every Windows version about 10 years of support, 5 years mainstream, 5 years extended. Windows 10 was released in 2015, support 10, 25 October 14. This is not because it's broken, but because Microsoft has fixed support life cycle. Mainstream support gives you security update, bug fix, feature update, free technical support. After this date, Microsoft stopped this update for normal Windows 10 user. Why? Because older systems are harder to secure against new threats and Microsoft wants people to move Windows 11. What happens if you don't enroll in ESU? If you don't enroll in ESU after support end, your PC won't get security update. You will be at risk from virus, ransomware and hackers. Some apps or service may stop working properly. Microsoft won't provide support if something breaks. So if you want to stay safe, you have two choices. Upgrade to Windows 11, pay for extended security update or ESU, which is temporary security support for up to 1 year. How much does ESU cost? For consumer, ESU cost about $30 per device per year. Business pay more. ESU only include security update, no new feature. It is temporary. Expire 26 October 13. You need a Microsoft account link to your PC to enroll. Check your Windows version. Press Windows key R, type WINVER and press enter. A window will pop up showing your Windows version. You need version 22H2 to enroll in ESU. If you are not on 22H2, we will update next. Update to 22H2, go to setting, update and security, Windows update, then click check for update. Install any feature update until you reach version 22H2. Important, backup your file before updating. Major update can sometimes cause unexpected issue. Sign in with a Microsoft account. Go to setting, account, your info. If you see sign in with the Microsoft account, click it and follow the prompt. Why issue enrollment require Microsoft account? Local account alone won't work. Enroll in ESU, go to setting, update and security, Windows update. If your PC is eligible, you will see a message like get extended security updates. Click it and follow the instruction. If you don't see it, don't worry, sometime it appear a few days later depending on your region and device. Verify update are applied. After enrolling, click check for update again, then go to view update history to make sure security updates are being installed. You should see the latest security updates list. Remember, ESU is temporary and only lasts until 26 October 13. Keep backing up your files and plan to upgrade to Windows 11. If update don't appear, restart your PC and try Windows update again. Make sure you are on version 22H2. Confirm your sign in with the Microsoft account. This usually fix most issue. And that's it. Now your Windows 10 PC can keep receiving security update for another year. ESU is just for security, so plan your upgrade for the future. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.